Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple dialogue system, which also allows you to expand to many more text dialogues, so you don't have to do the 3 that's in the tutorial. Okay, so the first step is to get a code line down. If you don't have one, you can make one, that's okay. All you need is a conveyor, push block, and a part not letting it go forward. And also make sure you have a respawn part with respawn push parts true. Okay. Next, you want to give a character that's talking. This is optional, but I'm going to get myself. Alright, so once you have that done, you're going to get a part, and then you're going to make your text box. So basically what you're going to do is click text, make it, and just say anything. So like, tutorial, make it how you want, and then set the transparency to false and all of that. Okay, so right after you have that, you're going to duplicate it and send it one back. At the end, we'll squish these all together, but you just make 3, or how many text dialogues you want. And then after you name all of them to your liking, we're going to move on to the buttons. And then you're going to grab a part from the add tab and you're going to size it out. I size it out around like 4x4 and then the width is 0.5. And then we're going to grab a button. You're gonna size it out, and then you're gonna lift it up around 0.5. And then for this, what you're gonna do is set the time to infinite. You're gonna set it to invisible, activate for push blocks, and then modify effects. And then make sure to turn off collide. And then make it so this edits your first one, but the one right after. And then what you want to get is a push block, place it on top, squeeze it down to around 0.5 so it perfectly fits that gap. I recommend making it darker so it's easy to identify which one's which. And then what you're going to want to do is duplicate it and set this for your second one. So when you come back and in, your push block should be above and you'll fall down into it, making it activate straight away once you get into the obby. Okay, so next up we're going to put another button down. What you're going to want to do is make it invisible, set it for infinite, modify effects and push blocks, and then make it so it can't collide, and then edit it, make it so it edits that first tutorial tab. So right as we activate it, it should just make it invisible. And then what you want is a button deactivator, size that, and then what you're going to do is make it so push block activated, can't collide false, and make it so it activates that first button. So right as I let this through, it goes to the next one. And then what you're gonna do is select all of that, duplicate it, and put it a little bit forward. And now what you're gonna do is change this button to make it so it resets moving parts. And then you're gonna click that one. So like the last one you did. Okay, so there you go. If you click that part, it should go to main 1, and then if you do it again, it clicks to main 2. And now what we're gonna make it is so it disappears. It goes back to the start after a while. So what you're gonna do is move this fading part into here, make it so it's push block activated, make the fade time whatever you want. I'm just gonna choose 10 seconds for this tutorial. Make the disappear time around like 0.25. You might wanna make it higher because then the push part won't be able to go past. And then what you're gonna do is make it so you're gonna drag this reset push blocks part over here, drag that over there, and you make it so it resets both of them. So like that. And then grab your last button deactivator, drag it over, and make it so it deactivates that first button over there. And now we just have to add the button that activates all of it. So we can just click that there and resize it. Make it so it's invisible for around like 0.3 seconds. Push block activated, make sure to turn that on. And set the click radius to 40, that allows me to click it and it'll go on to the next one. And what you're gonna click is edit, you're gonna click these 2 parts right there that allow it to go past. And what you do is if you click it, it should work. And there you go. If you click it, it should go through the dialogue. And then after a while, it would wait, and then it will rotate back all over again. So like that, it goes back to the tutorial. If you guys like that tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.